Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe in your home. From class 2nd English reader, in previous video, we had learned chapter number 4, what is pink? So what is pink? A rose is pink by the fountain spring. What is red? A poppy is red in its pearly bed. What is blue? The sky is blue where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white sailing in the light. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? The grass is green with small flowers in between. What is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Students, today from the poem we will learn and answer the following questions. Okay? Question number 1. Where do we find rose? Where do we find rose? हम रोज को कहाँ ढूंढते हैं? Answer to this question is we find find rose 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 in the FOUNTAINS fountains BRINK brink. We find rose in the fountain's brink. Question number 2 है What is red? Red क्या है? Answer to this question is a POPPYS poppies red. Red क्या है? Poppy is red in its pearly bed. In its pearly bed. रेड क्या है? एक खसखस अपने जौ के बिस्तर में लाल है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज ग्रीन? ग्रीन क्या है? आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज द ग्रास GRASS grass is green. Green क्या है? Grass है. Grass means घास. Next question है What is rich, ripe and mellow? Rich, ripe and mellow क्या है? अमीर, परिपक्व और मधुर क्या है? So answer to this question is pears are PEARS pears are rich and ripe and mellow. MELLOW mellow. Next question is what is violet? Violet क्या है? Violet क्या है? Clouds are violet. Clouds जो हैं वो violet हैं. So answer to this question is C clouds, clouds. R violet, violet. In the summer twilight, जो गर्मी की शाम होती है उस समय क्लाउड जो है वो वायलेट कलर के दिखाई देते हैं. So students, that's it for today. Your today's homework is learn and write it in your fair notebook. Okay students.